teardrops fall out my window all day, all night. Whenever you call, if I don't pick up, it's alright. I don't care what you want to say. It's not like every single day. It's just another bad headache where I can't read your fucking face. It's written on your forehead. My vision not distorted. Like it's not that important. Yeah, but I'ma need some truth someday from you. Is it worth going into something I don't fit into? Yeah, but we already knew that. It's all facts. I'll take that to my grave, love. Cause you're the best that I could get. But I'm just here today, love. I'm just here today, love. I'm just here today, love, yeah. I'ma take that to my grave, love. I'm just here today, love, yeah. And if it kills me, I will stay. Cause I know you'll be okay, love, yeah. Yeah, I'm just here today, love. I'm just here today, love. What you want from me? I already gave it all. And how could I walk on you with my heart nailed to the wall, yeah. I'ma take the fall, yeah. For the missed calls, yeah. Where would my life be if I never got involved? I could tell you the truth, but that ain't nothing to you. And if it hurts you to hear, then you ain't too perfect too. But I could look the other way, love. Take it to my grave, love. Cause you're the best that I could get. And I'm just here today, love. I'm just here today, love. I'm just here today, love, yeah. I'ma take that to my grave, love. I'm just here today, love, yeah. And if it kills me, I will stay. Cause I know you'll be okay, love, yeah. Yeah, I'm just here today, love. I'm just here today, love. I'm just here to say love, yeah. Yeah, I'm just here to say love.
Hello. What's up? Happy Friday. Been so long since I streamed, my mic reset. What's it been, a week, I think? Been pretty long. It's like one of the longest gaps since I've been streaming this year. Been traveling, been busy. But we're back to schedule now. Starting today. Starting today, basically, we're back to schedule. I'm gonna be streaming, I think I'll be streaming on Monday too. We got like, I know it's late. I said 4 o'clock, I know. Or 3 o'clock, I mean. I know it's 4 o'clock now. I'm very late. I apologize. It's been busy. Been a busy day. But I'm here now. And we got a new Claude release to check out today. For a Friday stream. Some invoicing stuff to work on. And big news. I haven't actually posted this. I should probably post it, I guess. But we got affiliate on Twitch now. So that means I can actually have subscribers, which is cool. And we also get some other stuff. Like I can post shorts to Twitch and some other stuff. So that's pretty sweet. It unlocks a bunch of tools that we'll be able to use. So I haven't really got to dig into them yet too much. I just got it last Friday or something. It was like after our last stream, I think. So I got to check out some of the stuff we've got now. But regardless, very cool. Appreciate you guys have tuned in, hanging out. Lots of more videos coming soon. We're turning it up a little bit. We got the streams get back to normal next week, so we'll have a Monday, Tuesday, Friday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday stream. Pretty sure. Let me double check it. Pretty sure it's on normal schedule next week. Definitely. Let's see, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yeah, full week next week, back to normal. And then I want to start putting out more shorts. So like, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I might do like a mix of like actual standalone shorts that I make, like videos, and like clips from the stream. I don't know. We'll just kind of see where it takes us a little bit. But I want to start putting more content out on like YouTube, and I can put clips on Twitch now since we're affiliates. So that's pretty sweet. So I'll probably do that too. But yeah, I start putting more content out. There's so much stuff going on. Search carriers. Let's see, that launched. Yeah, I think I streamed after that launched last time. The Blitz dashboard is pretty cool. Posada LLC is like a crime ring or something. I'm not sure, but it was cool to see them on there. I've got a lot of support on search carriers. I really appreciate all that. A lot of shout outs and everything from all the different people. So I really appreciate all the support. Glad I could bring some value to the industry a little bit on it and keep working on it. There's a bunch of new stuff I want to keep building on it. So I'm not done with it for sure. Authority history. I think I rolled that out last Friday or something. I don't remember. So I rolled out a couple little updates. Which is cool. I think I'm gonna change how that looks. Actually, hold on, I'll show you. But yeah, I think I'm gonna change how the authority history works a little bit, clean that data up more. Right now, it's a bit of a. I cleaned it up some, but it's still got room for improvement. We'll say. Here, one sec. Let me pull it up. I'll show you. Hey, log in. Oh, here we're good. Here we go. So, what, the Blitz dashboard's in here. Posada's still number 1. Sketchy. These have been pretty cool to see, though. Some of these inspections are, like, really bad. 40 violations. I don't even know how people struggle so much. Also, I don't know how you get, like, 3 violations like this. Like, how do you have 3 vehicle registration violations? I don't know. I don't know how that happens. But it does, apparently. But yeah, this has been cool. What I was going to show you, though. Got a little call to action I added, which has been cool. That helped. A lot of people click through to that, which is cool. Oh, you're going to see my... That's okay. I don't care. I'll change it. Authority. So I added this get authority history. And so, yeah, basically you can go in here, send a request. Boom. There's a leaked key. You know we're back. We're so back. Leaked keys. But yeah, so you can see basically authority history by docket numbers now, which was asked for before. I also did a little bit with authority subtypes. Shout out to Ben Van Z to give me some guidance on what's useful here. There's also these original and final action steps. So this is where I think I'm going to clean this up some more. This is how the data is coming across, is kind of with original and final. Not exactly this way, I cleaned it up, but I'm going to change this to be individual entries so that you can just see more of like a linear timeline on the authority. I think it'll be more readable that way. And I also break down the authority types in here. So basically authority types and subtypes, this is the thing Ben Van Z pushed back on when he was looking at the API. Always leaked, I know. Truly. But he was saying, you know, having the authority type of like the old authority endpoint. This one, actually, I have a DOT number. So if I go to authorities and do DOT number, I gotta get rid of this. Yeah, I see this is like before I just had these, which is not the most useful thing essentially, because he's like saying like broker, like what kind of broker. And so I added the subtypes in here, which I might change this too. Somehow, I don't know. Maybe I won't, but because I think it can be more than one. But now you can see passenger, property, household goods. And then back on authority history over here, you can see we have the same thing. Authority types, common, contract, broker, freight forwarder, and temporary, and then what the subtype is. So I think the only thing I might change here still, like I said, is just original and final action. I might change that to instead be just like action. And then I'll just break this into another entry that's ordered chronologically. That way it's just easier to read, because final action's not always here. Something can have just an original action, which is confusing for the data, I think. I'd rather just have like a list of like one action per. So I think I'm going to change that up. I think it'll be cleaner that way to see and use. So, but yeah, launch that. What else did I do? I don't remember. So a lot of search stuff, a lot of improvements on search. What else? I don't know. Tracking. Oh, I fixed tracking updates. I need to fix this hover, because the color sucks. But the tracking updates work now, so it'll actually, before the search data payload was tracking, so like if the search data vector, like the vector data changed, it would like dump that in the email, which made it like unreadable. Whoops, missed that one in testing. But now it's excluded, so the emails make sense. And I've got subscriptions to a bunch of them and checking them, so like it works. Like I get emails for inspection updates, which is cool. So that's a pro tier thing. Let's go sign up for pro. And today's the last day to use code Blitz5. Oh yeah, here's let me change my discount codes. Blitz5. I don't think these are valid anymore. There's your discount codes. Blitz5. Oh, it makes it $5 for pro for a month, so. Yeah. Yeah. Been good. Been good. Appreciate the support. More stuff still coming for sure. I gotta make a landing page. I started on one the other day. I didn't finish it though. Once I get a good landing page in place, it'll actually start showing up in Google. Right now, it's like this is the landing page, so it sucks. So if I look up like search carriers, nothing. I don't think, like, it's not on here at all. I went to page 5 before, I think, and it never showed up. Yeah. Not in here. So once I add an actual landing page, it should start showing up in the search results, which will be nice. The thing is, I want the search to still be, like, here. Like, I don't want somebody to have to go to, like, the landing page and then click in, like, search. Like, that sucks. So I'm trying to, like, pull the super search, at least, into, like, the landing page and have it, like, redirect here and auto search or something so that it feels, like, intuitive. It's, like, the same number of button presses, basically. But I ran into a couple, like, issues with that, so it's delayed a little bit, but it's alright. I also need to get, other stuff like authority history hooked into the tracking changes, so that you could actually track, like, authority changes. Right now, it's, like, contact info. Like, this information, basically, up here. Oh, I also fixed insurance. There was an issue with insurance for this Lala Trucking or whatever. What was it? Lala Truck Line, that's what it was. I'll need to talk to you about that later. I didn't know I needed a proper landing page to get indexed correctly. Yeah, it definitely helps. Definitely helps a lot. You might not technically need one, but like, I mean, you pretty much need one. But yeah, insurance, sometimes canceled ones get pulled still. And so I have an additional check happening now that makes sure that if it's a policy that's been canceled, it'll make it canceled. Basically anything that's like a newer insurance, this might happen where it shows up. So now it's properly being put in there. And this is all working, but yeah. This came up that it showed insurance and it was canceled. Which, again, to be fair, this is a research and investigation tool. Do not use this to vet your carriers exclusively. You should always call and confirm insurances and whatever. But yeah. So. So yeah. Anyway. What else is going on? Apparently I got 2 of these open. Yeah, I've got a lot of projects happening right now. I think I have more projects now than when I stopped, than the last stream even, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Like, we prefer to be busy. So, need to get this TMS done. Need to get this TMS done. Get it launched. We're so close. Yeah. Yeah. Speaking of, it opened the wrong thing again. I updated and then it like freaked it out. There you go. Speaking of, all right, so I don't remember exactly where we left off. Something with customer invoices. I know it kind of worked. I did start using a little bit of quad 4 yesterday. But I will admit it was getting rate limited. So we'll see how it goes today. We're definitely using the timer today. For sure. Let's see. Is my stream freaking out? Oh, Eldorado. If there are ads or anything weird happening, let me know. Because I am a Twitch affiliate now, I can run ads, but I don't think I turned them on. So if they run an ad, let me know. It shouldn't be, though. But I can actually run ads and get paid for ads, which is pretty cool. I think I don't, though. I don't know. I gotta figure this all out. There's a lot of stuff. I don't know. Monetization. There's like a whole monetization thing in here I haven't looked at. Oh, we can name like we can like name our subscribers and everything. Tier 2 subscription names, emotes, subscriber badges. I'm gonna have to mess with all this. Bonus subscriber benefits. Oh, a subscriber only Discord channel. Oh, a merchandise discount. Wait, can I turn on like a code or something? That would be kind of cool. It'd be kind of cool if I could make it like subscriber specific discounts for like search carriers and stuff. So if you subscribe, because I actually get paid if you subscribe. I don't know what the number is, like $2 or something a month, but it's money. I actually get paid, which is pretty sweet. I'm a professional streamer now. Let me double check here. Ads. Oh wait, I might have ads on. Do I have ads on? I thought I turned them off. Enable to run. How many minutes of... Oh, it is running ads. Oh, I gotta turn off ads. Hold on. Hopefully, I wonder if I can do this. Schedule video ads in your channel. Can I... Ads are not scheduled. Okay, I think I turned them off. I think I turned them off. If you get an ad, let me know. I might have turned them on automatically when I got affiliate, which is kind of funny. I guess we'll see. Time will tell. It says pre-roll off. I don't know what that means. Very professional. I know what I'm doing. Pre-roll ads for incoming users. No. No. No pre-roll ads. Stream display ads. Wait, is this gonna turn on ads? I didn't see all this stuff happen before. 15-second video as if before or during. Okay, no, those are fine. I don't care about that. All right, yeah. If you get a full screen ad, just let me know. I think they're off. If not, I will investigate. But today, oh wait, say hello. Oh, Docker's not even running. Get this thing kicked off, and then we're gonna start a timer. And the goal for today is I mean, what? We have, let me get this back on the right place. Streaming, Twitch. There you go. Okay, cool. Goal for today. Generate invoice. To see if I left a note. I probably did. No, I didn't. Generate customer invoices. Let's see what we got going on here. Log in. There's a password. Let's see here. Okay, so there's the invoice. So if we go... Wait, let me go to shipments. There's probably delivered ones that are better for this. What do you think? No? Booked. Alright, dispatch. We gotta put driver on here. Contacts. Driver. Driver. John the driver. John the driver. Looks good. Cool. Oh, these are messed up. Pickup. I need to fix this. So that it, doesn't accidentally do 2 drops in the factory. But anyway. Check call. Spoke to John. He's there. Cool. Check call. He's loaded. He left. Spoke to John. I mean, this is working pretty good. This is, it feels like a TMS. Like, it really does. Arrived. Unloaded. And yeah. Okay. Delivered. I think we want to make this generate an invoice on that on delivered, right? I feel like we do. Select a customer to generate an invoice. Oh, there's 2 customers. Oh, there's no rates. Right. Customer info is missing. Apparently date is missing. No charges. We need to change it to shipment number. So I think on delivery. So let me let's do a couple things here. On delivery, generate all invoices. Probably. Yeah, for now that's fine. On delivery, generate all invoices. Update load number to shipment number. What was the other thing? There was something else, I think. The date doesn't fill, so we need to make the date fill. Fill the date. Oh, this is the company level info we got to put in there. Do we have tickets for that? I think we did. We need to put, we for sure need that. Shipment. Here we go. Organization config overrides. Yeah. We need like organization configs. So, I'm trying to think of like what's the best way to do that probably. Just a table, organization configs. Maybe. Organization settings. We did organization like integration settings, right? Integration settings. I think we probably want like organization settings, I'm thinking. We did like, we went like way overkill, I think, with integration. We like get integration setting and all this stuff. This is probably like more than we need to do. realistically. Yeah. I think we just go with like an organization settings table. It needs to be under here and be like settings. Under organization. I think that'll be fine. Because we just need like what? Does that in there? Create organization. I mean, we need what? So we need a company name, maybe a company logo, company address. What other stuff is in here? Company contact phone. So actually that might be like accounting contact email, accounting contact phone. I think we just do that for now. Or maybe we go... Oh, because we probably need AR and AP, huh? This should be like AR. Because there's probably different numbers for AR and AP, potentially. Which we might want to separate out. But anyway, like these are the things we want. So probably like, yeah, contact email. I don't know. We could just do like accounting phone number. Do we want AR? Billing. AR contact. I'm just gonna go accounting. Contact email. Accounting contact phone. We'll just do that for now. We can always add ARAP later. People want it. It's not a big deal. If you have questions on the invoice, please contact. Yeah, so I think that's where like these could drop in. Yeah. I think so. I think that's really all we need for that. Easy enough. Easy enough. Alright, so let's do this. Let's see, fill the date, update load, or fill the, let's just do this really quick. I think we do that in like 5 minutes. Let's just throw a 5-minute timer up real quick. That's easy. Wait, interact. We'll do 7.5 minutes. Can I do that? 7.5. It did 7. Alright, 7 minutes it is. That's fine. We can do it that time. Okay, so on delivery, we need to generate... Actually, we'll do that last. Update load number to shipment number. Let's create a new here. Load number. It's probably one place. Yeah. Shipment number. We'll do it here, too, because that's also... What's the load number? Guess we just make one. Cool. Easy. Load number is now shipment number. Done. Fill the date. So we saw on here there's a date field that's like empty. Oh, is that because of the net pay terms or something? Invoice date. Wait. Customer invoice. Customer. Guess we'll go customer invoice. Make with data, prepare view data. To do track invoice numbers. Oh yeah, we need that too. Oh, it's like not in here at all. I guess it should just be today, right? I'll see not why it wouldn't be. Date. Invoice date or now. Format. Day. Year. Actually, we should do like month, day. Is that right? Sale, artisan, tinker. Format. Month, day, year. 2025 probably. Yeah, I think so. Okay, done. On delivery, we should generate invoices. Get commit date on invoice bills. With today if empty. Easy. All right. 4 minutes. This is the biggest one. Okay, so basically on delivered. So probably on shipment. Probably something in the state we want to do. Delivered. Let's see. Calculate stop state, blah, blah, blah. I'm trying to remember how we did this. Because we did like a handle thing, if you remember. Models. Is there like observers or something? I can't remember. States. Where did we do this? We do something else, right? I swear. I don't think it was here. There's something else with shipment states that I thought we did stuff with. Was it check calls? Yeah, maybe. But maybe that's the other direction. Delivered class. Update shipment state. Calculate stop state. Oh, maybe this is it. No. I'm trying to remember. Because basically we want to say like on it becomes delivered. We want to generate invoices. So I guess we could start by going accounting, or is it under shipments, I guess? Shipments. Wait, where is it documents? Oh, generators, generate customer invoice. So I think we want to go, oh, so we would just loop this, so that's fine. What other stuff happens at delivery? Anything? I guess not really, huh? That I could use as reference. We could just do a listener, another listener, I guess. Handle. Update shipment. Oh, this is the update shipment. So I guess we would want to do a handle carrier bounced. Transition to. Okay. Shipment state. I think this omits an event. So we probably, let me just pull up Airval space dates. I think there's an event we can listen for in here. Listing states. Transition events, here we go. An event will be dispatched called, this event. Wait, it's just reference the initial state, the new state. Okay. That's a very general event, though. I don't know if we want to listen to, like, every possible state change. We have 40 seconds left. I don't think we're going to go over. I'm getting 5 more minutes. We got this. Let's say... Because I basically want to say, like, on custom, like, on a... Here we go. Process. Here we go. Marcus paid, transition to. I wish I could do, like, a delivered state specific listener, basically, right? That's what I want to do. mean, I could manually do that, I think, but I was hoping it would just sort of like automatically do that. But I guess it won't. So that's okay. So we'll just say, is there any kind of like, let's just see, emit or events or anything? State changed event. Is that... wait. By default, when a state is changed, the state change event is fired. If you want to use a custom event, you can register it in the config. Okay, I think we want to do this. Yeah, I think we want to do this. Makes more sense. Let me close up Steam. Okay, cool. So let's create a new concrete state event. Let's go events, app, events, and we'll say shipment. We'll go state changed. I just opened it. I saw it pop up. Saw it. Do they have like a custom state? Do they have a like a how I should build this, or just anything's fine? I guess I can just extend it actually. We'll go shipment state changed. Let's try out old Claude 4, shall we? Make this extend this 80 or spotty, however you say it. Default state changed event. I don't know. See what that's pretty generic. We'll see what it does. Yeah, that's not gonna work. It's searching Google. I just want to see if it works. What was the thing? Do you remember, Eldorado? What was the thing we tested before for Gemini and Claude? We should do that today. Already revised on this. Okay, that's fine. The whole point of this is we can make a listener specifically for this one. No, stop. You're good. You did more than you need. And then we'll go down here. Boom. Changed. Class. We should, yeah, we should do the old Gemini test again. Also, let's see. They have the max mode or whatever. I don't even know how much it costs for this. It's apparently it's a discount right now. Max. So now we should be able to say, okay, let's try this. Oops. Let's try it with Claude 3 Opus Max. I feel like this is like, or Claude 4, I'm sorry. This is probably like super overkill for this, but I just want to know. So let's try it out. Let's say create an event listener for the shipment state changed, and if a shipment is transitioned to the state of delivered, we should generate it's just delivered, I think. We should generate an invoice for each customer using generate invoice wait, it was there. Generate. Why is it doing that? It doesn't like the word generate. Generate customer invoice. Generate invoice for each customer on the shipment. We really need to track. Oh, this is what was happening before too. Bummer. Oh, we don't need max for Claude 4. You know, Gemini's been kind of slow for me lately, I'll be honest. I really liked it historically because it's so fast, but it's been really slow when I've used it lately. I really need to get a little ticker for like sponsors and put like all my company stuff going on there. Time's up. We're pretty much done though, so I think it's fine. This is probably gonna be kind of a short stream today. I started late, I'm sorry, but I will be streaming on Monday on the day off, so FYI. On good old Memorial Day. I have a meeting even on Monday. No, it's a holiday. It's crazy. This thing is like cooking. What's it doing? Class? What is this? Oh. Generate invoices on... Oh, it's like the listener it created. Okay. Holiday stream. Ooh, I should make it like a holiday stream, huh? Like theme it or something. I really need to spend like a couple hours on the stream and like get some tickers going. I need to get like a subscriber thing. I've got these. Where's it at? This, but it just always shows the latest subs, which I don't anticipate there being that many. So I don't want to just like have the list there. I need like the thing that like pops up. And we got to come up with a name for the viewers. So I got to like have a name, you know? Like all the cool kids do. We don't need to do this. Event listen, right? No. Reject this file. What's it trying to do now? Listing items. It's trying to create a test? What? I wonder if Nick's watching right now. Nick, if you're watching, are you happy? It's creating a test. I don't think update shipment state listener. Do we have to put that anywhere? No. I think they're auto-discovered now in the listeners folder. So. Yeah, pretty sure. It's really creating a test. I don't think... Have we ever seen it do this? I don't think so. I don't think it's ever created a test before. Like, not unprompted. I'm about to stop it, because it probably won't work. Generate invoice on delivery to... Oh. More realistic test approach. It's kind of hard to see that behind my stuff, huh? I almost wonder if I should flip it and put like the chat on the left side. It might mess me up for a day. But then you guys could see the chat. I don't think you need to see the list of folders probably, huh? Can I flip these somehow? I don't actually know. Probably. It's probably a way. Okay, I think this is gonna work though. It's basically on shipment state. If the final state is delivered or is not delivered, we don't care. Get the model, get the customers. This is gonna throw an error probably. Yeah. Generated. Okay. This looks fine. Basically, we're just gonna create the invoices. I don't care about this. Waiting for approval. For what? Run the test? Okay. Surprise. What even was the error? It stopped after 20. That's fine. Get rid of this test. I don't need testing where we're going. Alright, let's try this. So if I go... I think technically I can just go... like this. I think. Yeah, now it's back to in transit. Let me delete the... I need a delete button there. Drag and drop's not intuitive enough, I think. Let's add a receivable real quick. For global. Sure. Sure. Looks great. Okay, check call. He's there. I talked to John, of course. Good old John. Check call. I think check call should be a primary button, and generate raycon should be grayed out. Also, view raycon. What do you think, Eldorado? Should view raycon be a primary button up here? I think it should be white. We need Vim keybinds. Okay. Let's do it. I want to do like the little like command box pop-up. Where you can like hotkey around. I really want to do that. It's just a matter of priority of things, you know? That's always the boring answer I know, but that's where we're at right now. It just is what it is. Talk to John, of course. Look at that. Man, it even refreshed. I didn't actually... I didn't think it'd do that. There's our... You right? I don't... Oh, that's the customer. Right. Customer address. We gotta put that all in there. Yeah, it looks good. There's the date, invoice. Gotta get payment through the shipment number. Do we have one for global? Okay, so this one should have... Layover. Yeah, perfect. I think generate should be primary, of you could be white. Yeah, okay. I think that's... I'm on the same page. I think check call should be a primary, though. Feels like it's going to be a common button you press. Check call. New check call button. Button variant. Default. Oh, I forgot we made like a fancy component and everything for this. So just go new check call button. This is in header. Here we go. So there we go. Button text check call. This should be default. And then this vraycon. I think generate should be primary. Okay, so then this would be variant outline. There we go. If I come down here, I delete this. I think that looks better. It looks a little goofy with the two, but like, I think this is like, if I was gonna load into this page, most likely as like an LC or something, I'm doing a check call. Right? We should hide the check call button though after they're delivered, right? I think. Maybe it goes down here as like a button. I don't know. It's looking good though. Nice. Git commit. So when we have a shipment state listener. Just generating once. Yeah, that's what I think too. So we have a shipment state listener. We have changes to button colors, auto invoice gen at delivery. And you can always regenerate, so it's not that big of a deal. Right, you can go here and go regenerate. I guess you should be able to collect multiples of these, right? This should actually be like a multi-select. I think. Also, this should hover and give me the full title. Document list. Name. Tree data item. Wow, this is such a complicated thing we built in here. It's kind of wild. What even is this? I don't even know. Let's see. Maybe we look for this. Ooh. It might be buried. We might not be messing with this. Here we go. Item name display. See, I feel like it should be like title equals it's probably item.name name. Yeah, there we go. That wasn't so bad. Nice. I think it's better. So yeah, we did that. I mean, this is basically done. We just gotta like fill in. So we did this. Interview. Customer invoice scheme, pay terms. Create document, use the unique IDs. We need to do that too. There's so much to do in here. A lot of little things. The template UI, morph map with the alias system. We got to do that too. We'll definitely be working on this more Monday. I know I said I'd have it done today. Actually, I might work on it some Sunday too. If I do, I might stream. We'll see. May stream. Definitely streaming Monday though. For sure. All right, let's do this. Let's go. Let's say customer terms. Let me look at the customer page. Let's see what we're dealing with over there. So we have accounting information, or oh, that's account information. We have billing. What all do we need to do in here? We need to do pay terms, legal name, billing contact, billing address. Wait, no, yeah. Is that it? So pay terms, we probably should. We're gonna need to like correlate that to days, because we're gonna want to be able to pull up invoices that are overdue. We need invoice. We didn't build invoices, right? Yeah, just the docs. We definitely need to do that. Okay. Let's do this then. Let's say what do we want to do today? We need to do this. Can be next time. Shipment should create an invoice on delivery. Oh, we doubled that up on accident. Okay. Raycon template system could be later. That could be later. This is stuff we'll do like Monday. Not that much later. Create overrides by preferences. Okay, so we got to do this, but we can save that for probably Monday. This can be later. This can be later. Okay. Yeah, you'll want to set days to pay in your customer settings. Yep. Yeah, 100%. Is there any other weird ones that I'm not thinking of? Should it just be like an input? Like pay terms, and it's like you put in a number? I always see it as a drop down, but is there a reason it couldn't just be a number input? Because they're pay terms that are like, I guess if you definitely could be one. I see a drop down. Me too. Maybe because people don't want to have weird pay terms. Like maybe it's an organizational thing. Maybe a select. Yeah, I wasn't gonna say it. I wasn't gonna say it, But yeah, maybe. We need like a way to do this better. There's so many of these now. Where it's like a custom field value, like that. How many times have we done that? Like 100? It feels like. We need a better system for it. Like trailers. Or what else? Payment types. I use a thing called React Select for a lot of mine. Yeah, the thing that I'm mostly stuck on, I'm assuming this is just like a front end thing for this. The thing I'm mostly stuck on is like the back end half. Like how to store that in the back end. We could create like custom, actually, I wonder if we could do like an enum. Like we could do an evaluation thing. Where did that one thing go? We could do something like this where you have, it'd be like, so like for this, it'd be like net, what's it doing? There you go. It'd be like net pay terms, right? And this is like a column, right? So this is like database, and this is code. So then you would have net pay term type. Enums net pay term type, right? And this can have defaults of like 30, 45, 15, blah, blah, blah. And then maybe like, maybe it's like this. I draw like a box. Actually, it doesn't matter. I can do. Then we could do another one that's like, be like this. You could build like a resolver in between. Enum customs. Resolver. And we can set a default. This would be useful because the reason I'm going through this and wasting my time on this is because we've run into this a lot and I feel like we've done a bad job. We've like hacked it a little different, so I want to take a second here. So we've got like an enums. I don't know if you can see this okay. Let me blow it up a little bit. We got like enums here. It's like this is enums. This is like code. So I'm thinking like we've got the enums and then we could have another one here that's like enum customs. I don't know, something like that. And it's gonna have, so this will be like shipper, be like our customers, right? Like net pay terms. And this would have type and then value. And then net pay terms, we go like this. We would go to this resolver. I guess we'd have like a mapping here, and it would be like this. It'd be like net pay term type enum customs. Dot, I don't know, net pay terms. We would like pass these in maybe as like a type is what I'm thinking in like the resolver. So like you would pass, it would look like this. You would have like, can we create Laravel custom cast custom casts? So yeah, so we would do this. we would create a custom cast. Because we could even do like a, we could do org ID in here, right? Station ID. Like this. So each organization could have its own enum values that resolve. And then this resolver, like this, I guess this wouldn't be like an enum custom resolver. It would be like a as enum cut with customs. With customs, I guess? I don't know. And this would basically look at this field in here. So like what would actually be stored in here would have to be like the actual value in here would have to be like this, I guess. Be like enums net pay term type. And then maybe like, I don't know if we wanted like JSON maybe even. Because it could be JSON. It could be like class. And then enums net pay term type. And then value 15. Right? Or it could also be class enum. I guess it'd be like custom. And it could be like value whatever 65. Doesn't matter. I guess this would have to be defined, so it would have to be like custom type, and this would be like net pay term. So we did this, then they just resolve to their types here. The only downside is anywhere in the code we use enums would basically break. Unless we created some kind of a weird converter type. It's like a union type. I don't think PHP has union types, right? PHP union types. Wait, do they? But it's not a union type, it's just a union parameter. Is there actually a union type? Not really. Intersection type? Maybe that's what I want. No, it's not quite that either. I haven't even seen this website, PHP Watch. It's kind of cool. Wait, is the last update from December? That's a bummer. I don't know, because then basically, yeah, we have to create like a enum customs enum wrapper. This might be getting too complicated. Can we do generics? Because then it could be like custom enum net pay term type or enum custom. Or I guess it could even be a string and you could do like net pay term. Should we like ask ChatGPT? I'm kind of curious to see what it thinks. Let's try it. I am building a Laravel application with a Postgres backend. I regularly have to store fields in the database that have a default set shared across multi-tenant organizations, but also need custom types to be supported. I.e., pay terms should default to options of 15, 30, 45, but users may want to be able to create a custom option for like 60. How can I use enum still and achieve this? It's kind of a weird one. I don't know. The hybrid enum pattern. Okay. For default should I store custom options for each tenant. Okay. Right. So we got... Okay. But see, then we have to create a table for each possible unique one, which sucks. Is there a way to avoid creating a custom table for every possible field that has custom fields? I mean, basically like what we just did, right? So it's the same kind of deal. How would you handle this if you like pass it around? You just use like the actual value, I guess. Right? You just have to pass the value around everywhere. I don't know. Or we just, yeah, I mean, or we literally just pass the value around. I'm just thinking about fields where like days to pay is obvious because it's like day to pay is a number. But like trailer types. How would you achieve this for trailer types? For a field like trailer types where a label is important to the value. Just add a label field. Yeah, you just have to accept that you're passing a string around everywhere, basically. Yeah, maybe this is what we do. How did it map trailer type back? Oh, like this. I almost wonder if we should build an enum type. They could be built, like you could actually put, so like in here, you would have like custom type name. So the enums themselves could capture it instead of having to put them all inside the service. I think so. I think that's what we'll do. I think so. I think we're gonna need to. We need to solve this because we've been doing it for. What else did we use it for? Definitely trailers. There's contact types that we might want to do this for. Document types, document folders. I mean, it's basically allows us to use enums that are configurable. Let's try it. Let me see what we got in here. Let's let AI. Let AI take a stab at this. But I don't think. I think we want to call it like. So enums aren't really a type. It's just string. So I guess we do need to kind of have to create something else actually. Can we do that? Let's see. Hold on. App enums. Let's just pick one. Can you do like extends here? Test enum. I mean, I don't know. Contactable. No. Can you extend an enum? I don't know. Oh, it's got a search. Okay, well, let's just look it up then. Can you extend PHP enums? Oh, well, why they aren't extendable? Fair enough. Okay. Oh, they can use traits. Okay. Okay, so we can create like a custom enum trait. So we go traits has custom values. I guess we'll go enums here, actually. App traits, enums, has custom values. So we just need, it said it can't declare properties. So I think we'll just go, I mean, we don't even need, so we could do public function. Okay. I don't change this. So let's make a migration really quick. Actually, I'm gonna, or no, that's fine. PHP art or sale artisan. Make migration, and we'll say enum custom values. Enum custom values, and then I think for this, we'll just call it create a new enum custom values model and database migration that has organization ID, field value, and label props. I wonder if field will be an issue. See what this does. This will scaffold for us. I think this will be really useful to have, so I think it'll be worth building this out today here, real quick. Field. Value label, timestamps, TC. Looks good to me. This one has organization, does not have a factory. Okay. So field, maybe field is actually enum instead, and it's like the class name or something. Maybe instead of field, maybe it's enum. Enum class. There you go, enum class. And then has custom values. Public function get all values would so let's say this should return all values from the current enum class and do a lookup for any custom values found in enum custom value. Get all default values. Okay. Value to name, value to label. Perfect. Cool. So then now we can do app enums accounting. Oops. Wait, what? There we go. I think we do net customer net pay terms. Customer net pay terms. And then we go use has custom values. And then we can say I don't know, 15. And oops. 30 and 45, basically. That's fine. Okay, so but now this has custom values. So I think what we can do now is do a we probably want to also do this should probably like get all with custom maybe. And then go public function get all values. And this is just get all. And this could be just values. Get just values. Sure. Because now we can create a rule, is my thought. So you can still use kind of like the enums or customs to match it, which would be cool. And then we can have another rule that'll be like allow customs, and it could just create maybe. Or like allow create custom. And like on an allow create custom rule will like create the rule or create the value. Sorry, 1 second, email. Anyway, let's see. What time is it? 5:09. Let me put a 30-minute timer on. Like I said, kind of a short stream today. I know we're kind of going way off the rails. Supposed to get invoicing done today, but it's been a long week. I'm happy to just like make some progress here on this enum stuff because it's been a pain for us. Because then now what we can do is we could allow users to like look up and add custom values from like a single page if we want to. But now customer net pay terms. I think this is probably fine. So we need to go to customers. I don't think we have like pay terms or anything in here. We have like nothing in here. Just name basically. We can probably add this all in here. I'm gonna do like net pay days. Probably. Sale, artisan, make migration, customer accounting information. Add at paydays. Billing location ID. What else? Location, legal name, DBA name. I guess we'll do DBA name. So we'll say legal name is the other name. We'll say customer invoice number schema. Maybe we'll go invoice number schema. What else we need in here? Billing contact support. I think we want like a billing contact ID. Billing contact ID. I think that's it. Generic config. Yeah. Then I'm thinking, like we talked about before with like contact, you just be able to like select it from the drop down on the accounting section, or when you add a contact, we'll just have like a primary. We'll have like a thing to be like primary billing contact or something maybe. Or actually we could do like a create inline with contact probably. Like the resource select with a create. That's probably it. Foreign ID, elite, cascade. Wait, what? No. Invoice number schema. Pretty sure that's just integer. Okay. Reverse. Oh, it's like this, I think. Reverse. There we go. It's better. Cool. Net paydays. Yeah, I think this looks good. Billing contact ID. The location ID. Then we gotta add any fields. Okay. Add fields here. Great. And then we also probably want to add billing location. Add billing location and billing contact relationship. Cool. And this is actually going to be on owner key. Oh, actually. No, that's fine. That should be okay. Location. I don't know if we have to put ID here or not. I don't remember. It's fine. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. What's this mad about? Oh. Sale artisan migrate. Cool, cool. I don't know, do we mess with that billing stuff right now? Maybe we just don't do that right now. Let me do this. Let me add, say, customer net pay terms. Let me do this. I'm gonna commit this on another branch. Get status. Let's go customer net pay. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. Net pay terms and accounting fields. Push, and let me get checkout. Let's be. We'll go Garrett enum custom values. Custom values suggestions. There we go. And then we'll do this. I'm gonna throw this in another ticket. Say custom enum value support. Checkout branch for suggested idea. Okay. Where did we just come from? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think it's like I think that's what we want to do, but we probably should like do that, like spend a day and just like turn all of them back into doing that or something. I don't know. We can just add these for now, whatever, it's fine. Or even just, you know, store the values and then use like React select or whatever. Actually, we have an equivalent, right? Like we have an equivalent of that already. It's like combo box or something, I think. Maybe? I think so. Oh, maybe not. Drop down menu. I thought there was one that like lets you insert a new one, but maybe not. Well, if not, we'll make one. We definitely have most of the components to do this. Like the resource search select, I mean, it's pretty similar. So, we could do that. Alright, where are we at? Customer pay terms. We need to add all this to the customer resource. We'll add all this in here. Add the new fields. Yeah, we should do contact resource make. And this should be location resource make. We need to split all these out. I know I've said this 100 times. Add the new fields. Yeah. Okay. forget, do I have to... No, yeah, that should be fine. Okay. Let's get the new types. Or fields, whatever. My brain's a little bit mush, I'm not gonna lie today. Oh, we need to set... Okay, that should be fine. Billing address. Okay, so let's do this. Let's see if we can get AI to do this for us. Customer details, customers. So we want to go... Close others. Where's, like, save customer at? Save customer. I know we can, like, change the name, right? Carriers, customers. So there's not really, like, an edit customer in here. Huh. Update customer, maybe? Is that an action? It is. Let this support updating the new fields we added to customer. I should tell it to use, like, carrier, probably. Update carrier, general. Reference, update carrier, general. I don't care about linter errors. Okay, cool. So now, let's tell it. Update customer details to allow creating and updating and updating the new fields we added to customer. Put billing info under the billing section. Reference carrier general. And make it work the same way. Boom.
Take you back for what it's worth. Turns out I forgot how much it hurts. I never thought you'd see me at my worst. Won't be last, so guess that makes me. I messed up my life, Lord. Lots of
All right.
loves and hates. Where's my fighting and drinking? I'm guessing.
So goal for today, I think if we can get these details saving, that'd be good. I'd be happy with that for today. And then we can put them on the invoice Sunday, Monday. Create organization settings. That should be quick and easy. Then templates. And then this cleanup work basically next week. Ready to launch. So close. So close yet so far. Yeah, can't wait to get this thing launched. I was hoping to get, you know, this whole week was kind of a mess. I thought I would be home and like working on stuff a little bit earlier than I was from travel, so everything kind of got pushed a little bit, but that's all right. So billing location. Okay, sweet. John the driver, amazing. So we just need to make the billing contact support the plus, just like this. Is that hard to do? I don't know that that's actually that hard to do. Because didn't we do billing or contact? Do we do a contact form? No. Facility form. Wait, how do we do contacts? Add contact. Create a new contact form similar to this facility form based on the contact. Is it contact list? Based on the contact list form. This might be going too far. Yeah, I'll be better on Monday. A little more high energy after I get a couple days off of chilling. I did go on a motorcycle ride this week, which was nice, but maybe not the best for like actually like relaxing and resetting, but it was fun. I need to just go lay down for like 24 hours. That's what I need to do. All right, let's see if this works. So now we should be able to go to resource search select. Okay. Okay. So now is this location resource search select? Okay. Now I think I can say implement this with the location select under billing for customer details to allow inline creation. Let's see if it works. If this works, that'd be awesome. Surprised we haven't gotten here yet. Now we can add the same, we can do the same thing for shipment, basically. It feels the closer you get to finishing a project, the more there is to do. Yeah. Classic story, honestly. Not totally unexpected. Oh, this is gonna be so awesome if this works. Test 1, 2, 3. Well, something didn't work, but looks like it looks like the form actually worked, but I need to. Is there more than general? No, it's just general in here. Dude, nice. Sweet. But something's breaking with the save here. Save. It's probably the action. It's probably this that's not working, most likely. We are close, though. Trying not to get sidetracked with, like, the enum custom stuff. We're so close. I was really hoping to be, like... I mean, it's still possible. I really want to be, by the end of the day, Monday, basically, fully focused on adding billing and setting up production for LoadPartner TMS. So that we can launch it within, like, the next 2 weeks. Like, the first stable version. So we are, like, super close. I gotta figure out what the heck's going on with this thing, though. Okay, payload. Billing contact ID is... I have a feeling that one of these is, like, required, and it shouldn't be. No, they're all nullable. These are all nullable. I wonder if it's because net paydays isn't an integer. What do I make it? What if I fill all these in? Okay, wait, so these are working? Well. 1, 2, 3. So that's working. Wait, did that just... So those are working. It's just billing. It's just like these aren't working. Billing contact ID. Let's see what's saving. Clear. Save. So it's doing contact ID 2, which is probably right. And then location 38. Exist contacts. I wonder if... No, integer. I mean, that should be working. Let's do... Wait, did I migrate sale artist? I mean, yeah, because they're all in there. Billing location ID. Logger. Info. Data. I mean, I guess just this, right? I don't know what all's... Oh, it's filtering where they're not null. Oh, wait, no, I want to save nulls, though. Because I want to be able to set it back to null. But, alright. Hold on. Let's just go. Let's start here. Save. Name is coming across null, apparently. Oh, because we're saving. Oh, I see. Billing. I mean, that looks fine to me. Billing location 38. I guess I should see if the actual customers. Oh, it is working. Billing location ID 38. Okay, so it's working. It's just not like setting it correctly. Okay. So I need to go to here, and this isn't working. The resource search select isn't working. Customer billing location. Billing location. Is the customer resource not working or something? Oh, because I gotta load it. That's what it is. You know what? I don't think we ever want to load this. Or like intentionally load it. I think we just always pull it. There we go. Sweet. So if we do a new one and say general, say Garrett, save. Nice. Dude, the resource select is like the best thing we built. It's so good. The order of all this is a disaster though. Let's change that up. Bear with me for a second. I need to zoom this out because there's like way too much going on. I think we need to move like, yeah. Invoice number should be at the bottom for sure. I feel like net paydays should even be at the bottom underneath the location. I think it should be like location, contact, and days probably. Paydays. Location, contact, and then I think it should be like this. Yeah. And it should be location, billing, location, address. Net pay terms. Yeah, I think it's working pretty good. You can't clear it. Is the only thing. I'm pretty sure, yeah. I think what we want to say is like if I save this, is it saving null or empty? Doesn't null. Maybe we separate the endpoints. Oh yeah, and then these are in here. See, I think it'd be cool if like in here you could just like primary contact. I mean, I don't know. I guess it's fine because you can do it in here. Maybe these shouldn't even be separated. Maybe this should just be one edit. Do these need to be 2 cards? I mean, we can just stack them on mobile. Not like that. Let's do combine the account and billing cards to a single edit card. Make the fields still grouped left and right and flex column for mobile. 3 minutes and then and I'm done for today. But like I said, I'll be back on Monday for sure. I might even stream Sunday depending on how things go, because I'll probably be working on some stuff. But Monday, I really want to crank this thing out. I think we can. We don't have to do much. We can push some of this off a little bit. Basically, create organization overrides, get the invoice done, put the templates on there really quick. That should be simple. It's just going to be like a document templates table. That's just going to be like template name, organization ID, and then like a big text field where you can override the template. Simple. Fix the ULID stuff, fix the morph map. I mean, that's even these. ULID is probably required. I would say that's high importance. I would say the morph map is less, but it will suck to migrate. Like the counting side card, nice to have. I mean, it should be there, but like nice to have, I think, ultimately. Oh, it's still going. There's a lot of things I want to do, but we gotta get this thing launched. I need people in there using it, so they can tell me what we need to do. And then June, we can just focus on migration or integrations. Highway, TriumphPay, MacroPoint, whoever. I mean, I don't hate it, but it is a little different. I think we just get rid of the headers. Account. Information. I don't think we need this. What's the other one? Billing? Yeah, it's cleaner. And it doesn't need a customer name, it needs to be name. Customer name. Yeah? And then we can go to update customer. Oops. Update customer. And then we can get rid of the null check. So it's just going to become an update. Think of this. So then I can clear this. Save it. Oh. Not null. Customer. Wait, is name not saving? Edit. Oh wait, is there like a mismatch? It should be name. What's it saving as? Customer name? Data name. Wait, no, it looks right. Wait. Wait, that actually worked. It just didn't. The heck? Update customer set name equals question. Wait, what the heck? Form. Oh. We need to combine the forms. Combine the forms for a single save. You don't mind that card? Good. Yeah, I think it looks alright. Let's see if it makes it actually. Did it make it actually? Yeah, there you go. That looks better. I think it's fine. Probably need to do that on the other stuff too. Like this one. Probably should just do that too. Time's up. Yeah, we're winding down here. I'll update the billing form references. Alright. How many changes would needed to happen? A lot? Guess so. One more update, it says. Just one more. Alright, so if I stream again, though, I really want to... I really want to mess with the AI stuff. I didn't even get time today. It's kind of a short stream because I started so late. But it's on my list. There we go. Okay, then I can clear this. There we go. Nice. I think we're good. Customer gowning fields added and working. Sick. I mean, customer pay terms, legal name, billing contact, billing address. That's just solid. We got an invoice schema. Oh, we got to make those. We need to update. Okay, so then for next time, we need to do invoice number schema supported. Billing address info added. Net pay terms added. DBA name added. It's gotta be old news by then. What, the AI stuff? I know. I know. I know. What else do we need to add? There's like one more thing. Oh. Organization settings for org company name, address, contact. Okay. I know it's gonna be. I haven't messed with. I haven't messed with the new Google VO3. I really want to. It looks really good. Looks super good. On my list. Sale artisan. Let's see how bad this is. We have been using Sonnet 4 all day though. Need to run. Need to do some checks. Maybe if I stream on like Sunday or something. Let me see. What am I doing on Sunday? I mean, I might stream Sunday. It's possible. Might happen. Or I might take a day off. I don't know. We'll see. Wow, no errors? That's shocking. Alright, cool. Let me know if there's stuff you want to see. I think we're done for here for today. Oh, sorry, I left it zoomed out. Yeah, I think we're done for today. I know it's kind of a short stream. I'm so tired. I gotta go take a nap. Well, I think I'll be back. I'll definitely be back Monday. Might do a surprise stream Sunday. We'll see. If I do on Sunday, we'll probably mess with AI and stuff a little bit. Definitely back to normal next week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Maybe we'll launch by Friday. That's what I want to do, if we can make it happen. So, fingers crossed that we can make that happen. Get this thing launched. I think that list we just looked at is pretty doable by the end of the week, but I'm thinking we might like get it ready to go Friday and then launch it like the next week. So probably like that first week of June. Maybe like 2 weeks, like a week and a half from now, basically. That's what it's looking like. I think a lot of the stuff is like we can cut corners a little bit to get it out and then see what people want to do, because there might be other stuff that's like more burning fires that I just don't know until people are in there. So yeah. Anyway, enjoy your weekend. I'll be back Monday on holiday stream. If there's AI stuff you want to see, ping me on Twitter or Discord or whatever. We'll do something next week at least. But yeah, have a great weekend, and yeah, thanks for hanging out, and see you guys soon.